Assalamu Walaikum. In this video, how to split first, middle and last name in Google Sheets. Let's begin. First of all, select full column or selected table. Example, select the full column. Go to Data tab and drop down menu. See this slide takes two columns. Okay. Separator detect automatically or select the drop down menu, edit comma space, example use space, and now we can see this edit first, middle and last name, and since table header, last name and use type middle name. That's it. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.